Broccoli. It looks like a tiny tree, a delicious green tree. But there's so much more to this humble vegetable than meets the eye. And guess what? It's packed with good stuff. Broccoli is a superfood. This means it's not just any vegetable, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. That means it's super good for you. It's like nature's gift to our health. Eating broccoli can make you healthier and stronger. It's loaded with fiber, which is great for digestion. Broccoli is like a vitamin pill, but tastier. You can steam it, roast it, or even eat it raw. Each way it retains its amazing benefits. It has lots of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins like C and K, and minerals like iron and potassium. These are things our bodies need to work properly. They help in boosting our immune system, keeping our bones strong, and even improving our skin. Ready to learn more? Let's dive into the world of broccoli. From its history to its health benefits, there's so much to discover about this incredible vegetable. Broccoli is full of amazing nutrients. This green vegetable is not just a tasty addition to your meals, but a powerhouse of health benefits. One of the key nutrients found in broccoli is vitamin C. This essential vitamin is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps our bodies heal wounds faster by aiding in the production of collagen, a protein that is crucial for skin repair. It also keeps our skin healthy and glowing by fighting off free radicals that cause damage. Another important nutrient in broccoli is vitamin K. This vitamin plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K builds strong bones, which is especially important as we age to prevent fractures and maintain mobility. Strong bones mean you can jump, run and play without worrying about injuries. Broccoli also has a good amount of fiber. Fiber is like a broom for our tummies. It helps in digestion by keeping our digestive system clean and functioning smoothly. It keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. And don't forget folate. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, helps our bodies make new cells and is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair. It's super important for growing kids and adults too. Including broccoli in your diet can contribute to overall health and well-being, making it a fantastic choice for everyone in the family. These nutrients make broccoli a health hero. They help our bodies fight off bad stuff. Vitamin C boosts our immune system. It's like giving our bodies armor against germs. Fiber helps keep our hearts healthy. It's like a workout for our hearts. Broccoli even helps protect our eyes. It's like sunglasses for our eyes, but from the inside out. Eating broccoli is like giving our bodies a superpower. Section 4. Easy ways to enjoy broccoli. Broccoli is not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile, making it a fantastic addition to any meal. Let's explore some simple and delicious ways to enjoy this green powerhouse. Broccoli is yummy and easy to eat. One of the simplest ways to prepare broccoli is by steaming it. Steamed broccoli retains its vibrant green colour and a lot of its nutrients, making it a healthy choice. You can eat it raw with hummus. Raw broccoli has a satisfying crunch and pairs wonderfully with hummus, a creamy and flavourful dip. Hummus is a tasty dip made from chickpeas. It's rich in protein and fibre, making it a nutritious complement to the fresh, crisp broccoli. You can also steam broccoli. Steaming is a quick and easy method that softens the broccoli while keeping it tender and delicious. Steaming keeps the green colour bright. This method also helps to preserve the broccoli's natural flavours and nutrients. Steamed broccoli is great with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. A simple seasoning of salt and pepper can enhance the natural taste of broccoli, making it a delightful side dish. Another idea is to roast broccoli. Roasting broccoli in the oven brings out a different flavour profile, making it slightly sweet and wonderfully crispy. Roasting makes it crispy and a little sweet. The edges become caramelised, adding a new dimension to the taste and texture of the broccoli. Broccoli is a versatile veggie. Its versatility means you can incorporate it into a variety of dishes, enhancing both flavour and nutrition. Add it to pasta, salads or even smoothies. Whether you mix it into a hearty pasta dish, toss it into a fresh salad, or blend it into a smoothie for an extra nutrient boost, broccoli can fit seamlessly into your diet. Enjoy experimenting with different ways to prepare and savour this wonderful vegetable. Section 5. Broccoli, your ticket to a healthier you. Broccoli is more than just a veggie. It's a delicious way to take care of your body. It's like a gift from nature. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Broccoli is proof that healthy can be tasty and fun. So next time you see broccoli, remember its superpowers. Give it a try, your body will thank you. Section 6. Join the Altruist. Want to learn more about healthy eating? Subscribe to our newsletter, The Altruist, for more amazing facts and tips.